It's about loving the trip as much as the destination today when we install the island bracket and island support system from Centerline Brackets. Take a look. Odds are you wouldn't poke yourself in the eye for fun.
Ow, my eye! That wasn't fun!
So why invite ridicule by doing something so easily prevented with protective eyewear? Safety goggles are a thing. Wear them like you mean it. And if you're kicking up dust, wear one of these, some earplugs, and keep your skid on with gloves. Helps you grip your tools better too. Now let's gear up. Installation is a breeze, but you'll need a few things to make it sing. A tape measure and pencil, a pocket rule, an oscillating multi-tool, a drill, a 7/64 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips driver, a rasp or file, silicone adhesive, and a cup of joe. And to show you how straightforward installation is, we chose Keith, who has never before installed a bracket.
Hold it!
Everything okay?
Okay, you picked a noob to install a bracket?
Of course, he'll do great.
Are you freeze-dried? He's never installed one.
It's a good call.
The only call will be 911.
You worry too much.
Look, I wasn't roasted yesterday. I know a bad label when I read it.
Would you take a hike?
Gladly. I'll take my wisdom, experience, and freshly brewed scent where it's appreciated.
Give me a break.
Look at me. I am a break. And I'm over.
Now that we're geared up, let's begin the installation. Starting 6 inches in from each edge of the cabinet, mark the mounting locations on both the front and back using the bracket as a guide. For larger islands, space additional brackets 18 to 24 inches apart. Use a pocket rule for an easy way to mark a depth of 1/2 inch. If you're installing the island support system, assemble it first to use as a marking guide. We'll show you how to assemble it a bit later. Use an oscillating multi-tool to cut the mounting channel in the cabinet. A frameless cabinet may need to be reinforced.
Now here it is, because he's only seen this once.
Do not cut into any of the factory structural supports in the corners of the cabinets unless you've reinforced the back of the cabinet. Place the island bracket into the mounting channel, again making sure the bracket is flush with the top edge of the cabinet. Now, pre-drill holes using a 7/64 inch bit. This will help ensure the wood doesn't split. Then, using the provided number 10 wood screws, screw the mounting flange into the face frame or into the edge of the rail in a frameless cabinet.
So either way, you're screwed.
Would you get out of here? Your finished island brackets should look something like this. For the island support system, connect extensions to the island bracket by matching A to A and B to B.
From sea to shining sea.
Use the provided screws to firmly attach the pieces together. Then repeat the process for cutting the sidewall for each extension. Use a rasp or a file to remove excess wood from the mounting channels. Place the island support system into the mounting channel, again making sure the bracket is flush with the top edge of the cabinet. Then, using the provided number 10 wood screws, screw the mounting flange into the face frame or into the edge of the rail in a frameless cabinet. Then, run a bead of high-quality silicone adhesive down the center of each bracket. Carefully place the top and you're done. Suit up, it's party time.
Pour yourself a latte, lick your heels and say there's no place like foam.
Check out our other installation videos or download written instructions at countertopbracket.com. And remember, do-it-yourself is a learning process. Sometimes you gotta cut out a window to see the light.
Ow, my eye! That wasn't fun! Oh, finally, I can see. Hey!